studied about the this all the fields on the previous topic of this production BOM part first. Here we go with some functionality available for the production BOM. Here are some buttons. Uh, Here are some options on the button, like function, here copy BOM, this component where use comment, and production BOM, this version, matrix per version. We'll discuss about these on this topic. Here, this copy BOM. Let us go with the copy BOM. Copy BOM functionality is here for copying the BOM to another BOM. Let's try once. F3, then production BOM number, COPID BOM. Here we choose the unit of measure, PCS, status new. When you create the new BOM, then the status is automatically set to new. Then now we will go with the version later on. Let's use the functionality copy BOM. We are copying this BOM from this bicycle. Let's take the bicycle. Then those are automatically inserted here. If you are using this NAP previously, then this copy BOM is this copy functionality. You will be familiar with this copy functionality previously. Let's go to the another one. Here is the component. Here is the component option, where there are two options. Let's go with where used. This front wheel. We have to see where the front wheel is used on BOM. Then it will show all the area where the front wheel is used. And let's go the front wheel, then BOM. Here for the bicycle and touring bicycle, this this front wheel is used. Let's certify this. Then I again go to the front wheel and where used. Let us use this BOM on any item. Let us create an item, test item. Here we have to specify the basic unit of measure. Then let's go to the replacement tab. Then there is the production BOM number. We have to choose this. Let's choose this from here, copied production BOM. Now here we go with this BOM. Then we check where it is used. If we go to the front wheel, then where used, then test item. This is used in test item. This is added later on here. This is used on test item. Again, if we go to the header and go to where used, then it's so only the test item, means this BOM is used on only the test item. This BOM means this whole BOM is used in the test item, but the front wheel is used on many BOMs here for the 1000 and 1001. Here 1000, this is used as used on this bicycle, and another item here. Let's see this here, 1000. That is used 1000. Is production BOM number 1000 is used here, and for this also, for 1001 also is used. Here I think it's clear now about this where used. Now we go to the comment line here, where if we click on this comment, we can add this comment to this line. Means comment of this line will be added here. If we this comment 1, then here is the header comment, but this line comment is here where used, and here is the comment. Here is the comment, and we go to the next option, production BOM. If you want to see the list, then just press F5 or go to this list F5. You will show the list of these BOM. You can also do the list here and see the list of BOM. Then the comments means the error comment. If we add a comment here, let us see. If we see this comment here or here, the function is same. Now we'll go with the version. If we go to the where use from this, this will show the where use of this BOM, whole BOM, not the BOM component. Let's go with version. We have to add this version of this BOM. Let's go to the version. Let us make version 1 of this BOM, and version first 08 23 2012. Unit of method PCS, status new, and starting date today. And we have here another option is copy BOM header. Means we can copy those values to the version there. Function copy BOM header, copy the production BOM, the confirmation message displayed here, and then yes, then it will show this. This version is used if we are going to use something here, something different from this, but maximum fields, maximum values are same, but only some of the values are changing with time. Then we can define here, like I can make 2 here. It's using the version 1 with quantity 2, but the the standard one is this. Then we are certifying this. Then the active version, here we can go to the where used of this version. This is used on the test item 1, and this, let's make another version also, version 3 2, then the description of this item. Certified version here. Let us go with the version. Here is the version. Let us here is the number series defined for version. You must specify a version number. Let's see. Oh, here we have to choose the version number series here. BOM version. I have just created this BOM version by using on these. Let's take this. Then we have to go with the version. Then F6 BOM version 3. Then description version 3. Unit of major core ECS. Then starting date today. Then we have to use this function copy BOM header. Yes. Then we can just change this to something else. Then we have to certify this. If we make this certified, then the version number will be displayed here. It should be displayed here. Whatever. The OEM version. Yes, sorry. Components. Let's change it back to the certified. And then we have to add another version also. Let's take another version 6 and the version 5. You can modify this version manually. Here the manual number series is on. Then we have to this. You can modify this. This version 2. ECS starting date T. Then the component are added. Go to the function and copy BOM. Then we can add this to 3 and just certify this. No, this is not certified. It is certified so that it cannot be modified. The version here, the active version should come here. Let's go to the version again. And let's certify this. Now we have another choice here. Here in the production BOM, as here are other 2 or 3 remaining. Here are 2 remaining. This matrix for person means this. Matrix for person means we can see 2 versions in a matrix like this. And the first BOM, the front wheel is used at 2, and for the second BOM version, the 3 is used, and for the 4 we haven't defined anything else. Then we can go to the version list from here. New version starting from date, starting ending date. We can see here the detail in the list. You can skip this version if you do not need it. I think this is assign the version to the BOM